I'm Qwynto. I'm an illustrator, mural artist, and so my plan today is I have this bowling ball, and I'm going to try and do kind of a zoetrope-inspired illustration. So like one of those like old animations where it goes around in a circle. And so I'm going to try and do a series of 5 portraits of different angles around the thing, and so we'll see how that goes. Covered it all in spray paint, helped a lot, just keeping it as a blank canvas. Finding it a little difficult to be drawing on a sphere. It's definitely a challenge. The markers are doing pretty well. I found that when I'm pairing them, the neon ones with the other markers, it's working real nice, and I really like how it's popping. And I think that the matte background with the neon lights is I really enjoyed the effect quite a lot. So feeling pretty good about it. It's a little wonky, difficult to draw on a sphere and match them all up. Didn't really measure that out, but I'm quite happy with the overall. I think the only real difficult thing I found was that since the surface is quite smooth with the markers, that it can kind of pick up. And so especially if doing a second coat on it, can be a little touchy. Yeah, I mean, so probably I'm doing another portrait, probably do one more, and then just touching it up in general. I might add a couple of decals on the top and bottom, probably just the top, just so the bottom will be on something usually. But other than that, just edits and minor touch-ups. If you're looking for a little bit of punishment, go for it. It's not the worst thing. It's certainly different than a wall or a flat piece of paper.